Hey everyone, I'm going to give you some instructions and a little background on the Holy Stone HS340 drone. And this is a really neat little drone. And you're also going to see, you can skip ahead if you don't want to listen to this and come back to it. I'll give you a bunch of different videos at the end so you can actually see it flying. But basically, this is mainly designed for indoors. It can be flown outdoors in very calm weather. There's 3 speeds that are available. Your very low speed, a little bit more of an angle, and your high speed. If you are going to go outside, I would suggest learning to fly it in the 3rd speed, the fastest speed, because it will angle more and you can fight the wind a little bit better to a point. So what it does, it's got built in what they call altitude hold. And that means when it takes off, it's going to try to hold its position above the ground or wherever you set it. You definitely want to do some calibrations in the beginning. And I'm going to go over the features, and you can come back to this video so that you know that it's got the abilities, or you can write me and I'll try to answer any questions I can. But if you're looking to learn how to fly a drone, this is great. If you have a room, up here it's about 16 by 20, and I can fly all over, or I can take it outside early morning or evening when there's no wind, and you can go crazy with it to a point. It will do flips either this way or that way. It also has the ability to what they call spin, and I'm going to go over that. And it also has circle, where it stays around and it will circle a set diameter. But let's talk about it first. It comes with 2 battery packs, really nice little ones, and you charge it with one of the 2 included charging cords. Plug it into your computer, a battery charger, whatever it may require to use the USB charging port. It charges very quickly, and you just plug it in the side, and then you just put your battery in, and you're ready to go. It has a 720p camera, which really does a great job for a small little drone. It's very clear. It's captured on your device, and it's captured in video and photo, depending what you want. Now, it does have an app that you can get for free. It's the HS340 app, and there's a code you can scan, or you can go and download it. I put this on my Android device so you can see it a little bit, because I'm using my camera on the phone to record this. You've got a lot of features on here, and let me just go over them real quick. You've got 1-button takeoff, where basically it starts the motors and you give it a little bit forward throttle, or if you're using just this, the smart device, which you can control it from this, you just push your controller up on the right and it's going to take off. And then when you're ready to land, get close to where you want, you hit that same button and it's going to land, and it will shut itself off. And while it's landing, you can still maneuver it left, right, and get it in a good spot for landing. Again, it comes with a controller, and I'm going to go over that, which holds a fairly good size smartphone. Or if you want, go into this, turn your drone on, give it a few moments, go into your Wi-Fi settings, and you're going to see the Holy Stone Wi-Fi show up. Connect to that. Give it about a minute or so, and pretty soon you're going to see the video from your drone show up in here. And like I said, you can control everything right from here. You don't even need to use this. Or if you don't want to complicate life, just use this. And it's as simple as turn this on, turn this on, move your left joystick up and down, and there you go. You want to do the 1-button takeoff, you can go like this. I'm going to just start it for you. And now I could go up, but I'm going to stop it right now. And all you do at that point, once the power is running, you can take off and you can land, fly around. You don't even need the smart device, and it gives you a lot of control. This side here on the bottom, you've got your speed control. So it would be 1, 2, 3. So you could go anywhere from low speed to your high speed. I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't take off on me. And on the other side, you have what they call the flip button. So you basically push that, and then you can use your right joystick left, right, up and down, and the drone's going to flip accordingly to the way you push that stick. It also can, if you've got it connected to the Smart app, you can press once for a picture, or you can press and hold it, and you'll turn it into a video. Again, it's going to be recorded there. Now, if you just want to go spin in a little circle, that same button that controlled the speed, just hold it down, and it's going to go into the speed mode. And to get out of it, you hold it down again for about 3 seconds. If you want to go into a circle mode, you use the other button, hold that down, and it's going to start traveling in a circle. And then you can do it again, hold it down, and it's going to stop. It's got a lot of features for a small little drone. It's a great one to learn on. Again, you don't want to go out in heavy winds because it only has so much power. These little tabs come off, and you can use them if you're indoors. It's a good idea to keep them on, because if taking them off so you can see them off, this way it's got a little bit more stability outside and go a little faster. These will protect the props. If you hit a wall or something, it will protect it. If you go up to the ceiling, these will protect it. So I would recommend snapping these on to be safe. And there's not a whole lot more I can say about it. You got to watch the video. It's really of a stable, very maneuverable little drone, great to learn on. For under $50, I think this is a fun one to learn with. And like I said, they give you 2 battery packs, so you can get, I didn't really time it, but probably get about 20 minutes of total flying time between them, but they charge very quick, and I think you're going to be good to go. Watch the videos at the end, write if you have questions, and I'll try to answer them, but it's a nice little controller. Your batteries are in here. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and other than that, I think you're good to go. It's a fun little drone. I've been playing with it here. I'm going to give it to my grandson, and I think it's going to help you learn how to maneuver it. And then as you get more advanced, you can step up to a fancier drone. But this is a great one. It's one of the best I've used for learning. So please write if you have questions. I'll try to help you. Stay tuned, and I'll give you a bunch of videos to watch, and just write any questions. Wishing you the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.